Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the server and credentials so you can query safely. First, check the MySQL service status and ensure your account has at least Show Databases privilege. Then open a terminal or MySQL Workbench and connect. MySQL user PH host. Once connected, make sure the SQL mode and character set won't hide results. Run select version. Show variables like character set %. Now you're ready to list databases and inspect results. Once connected, list databases with Show Databases. Use Show Databases like prod % to narrow results. For deeper inspection, query information schema. Schemata to see default character set and collation. This explains sorting and comparison behaviors. To find disk usage, SUM data length plus index length from information schema. Tables grouped by table schema. This helps you identify large databases. Make sure to run these as a privileged user or use sudo to avoid permission. To finish, switch into the database with use dbname and inspect tables with show tables, then describe table to view columns. If you need a portable copy, run Mysql dump databases dbname db. SQL, include no data for schema only. Once done, validate by connecting as an application user. If you get no databases or access denied, check grant with show grants for current user, verify bind address and skip networking settings, and ensure the server isn't running in a restricted maintenance mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.